student Koklo Z Davis from Kalinga University doing BSc Medical Science first semester. I am from the Department of Zoology, and I will be giving you some info on the biochemistry analysis and the protein estimation. To be real, this is a hands-on training program, and the setup is very much good. Like, we have professors, and all thanks to Miss Abishmita Roy and Dr. Manosin, for encouraging students to get in. Okay, we have Dr. Abhishek Kumar Pandey. He was the general lecturer of this all-unique hands-on training program. We have so much activities. I must recommend them so much for the requirements and the material. Everything was set. We have so many tips tools. So we are actually doing protein estimation and then analyzing on biochemistry. So we have learned so many things. We have learned how we can form our Lorry solution. We have learned how we can form our standard solution. We have also learned how we can form our stock solution. This is something that some of us didn't have idea on it in the past time, but I can say for sure that my amount of hours I meant here has changed totally, because I have so many knowledge on how to estimate protein using the centrifuge and so many apparatus. So I must say to my friends, brothers and sisters out there, this is a very unique program, and I pray I will recommend it too, that it should get exposed to many students, not only Kalinga University, but also to Chhattisgarh and India at large. I really want this program to go very wide, because this is something that is actually good. It's educating so many knowledge. So I must recommend everyone who came, and I say thank you to the professors and the lecturers for organizing such a beautiful hands-on training program. Thank you so much.